One very brief thing which I want to let you know is that whenever you're confused about the page breaks inside a document, all you have to do is go to Home and click on this. Do you see this P kind of a shape over here? This is for the paragraphs, right? So when I click on this, I see these black thingies showing up everywhere. As I scroll lower in the document, it shows me that here we have a page break, just like I did with Control Enter. Then we have another page break over here. And we have, this is paragraphs, then another page break here, a page break here. So that's a way of understanding where your page breaks are. What way can this help you? I will inshallah let you know later. Just want to add one more thing in this video. We will not be having the end of topic evaluation inside the booklets. I'm going to guide you as to what exactly we're going to have, but instead of this, we're just going to copy the format of the book. For example, this is a grade 4 booklet. So let's look at the computing book of grade 4. Right. So if you can see, whenever a unit begins, right, we basically, sorry about that, we basically have our, in a way we have our, let me just show you here. These are our learning objectives, which are written in a way in which the students can understand that we are going to follow and understand algorithms that use repeating loops, and we're going to edit and correct algorithms that use repeating loops. Understand that repetition makes an algorithm more concise. If you go back to your progression grid, you will see that this is exactly how the progression grid is laid out. So an idea I have with regards to the work pages that we're going to make is that at the end of every topic, we can have a small table in which the student can put a check mark. An idea which I got from the Hodder book. If you look at the Hodder book is here as well. So if you look at the grade 4 Hodder book here, I'm not saying that you use this. I don't want to overload you guys, but if you have any requirement for good ideas, they do have really nice work pages. I don't know why this book is sideways. Let me just open up another one. I hope this one is better. Yeah. Okay. So here we are, and we have a small checklist over here, like did you know, and then broadcast, and then we have learn, and then we have practice. So there's a sort of checklist that you have over here, for example, right? So once you've completed this unit, you can read and review what you can do. We can put a checklist which the student should fill, that I can develop algorithms where two objects interact. I can develop programs where more than two objects interrelate. I can state the skills of different persons required to create a program. I'm going to tell you that GPT is really good at doing this. If you put in the learning objectives and you put in a little bit of detail of what the student is learning in a certain part of the unit, in a certain topic, GPT can convert it into a checklist for the students. Try it out. And if you don't understand, let me know, I'll guide you.